Life through your lens, a story untold. Dreams in your heart, brighter than gold. You share the moments, raw, pure and true. Hello, Hosanna, it all starts with you. Your life, your way, a canvas so grand, creating beauty with steady hands. The world's music, inspired, amazed. With Hello, Hosanna, we're beautifully dazed. From sunrise hustle to nighttime glow, the rhythm of life and the stories you show. Cooking up joy, chasing your vibe, a tapestry